Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm here to explain you about Pretzeli's comp reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website, and at the top of the website you can see the company is offering free shipping on order over $79. Now let's talk about the offering information, and you can see this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple women fashion wear clothings and other accessories including women t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, bottoms, shoes, hats, and Christmas based theme products. So, this was the offering information. They are also offering massive discounts on each product. Now, let's talk about the payment information of this website. So, guys, according to the website details, you can see various modes of payment available on this website are Visa, Union Pay, MasterCard, Mastrio, GCB, Discover, and PayPal. And when you'll check out any product, then you can find the payment mode is PayPal. Here you can view the payment information. Apart from that, guys, they have provided limited description of products, which is not a good sign. They have not provided the complete description of products. Now let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. So guys, talking about the shipping policy, we need to visit the shipping guide, and here they have mentioned that processing time usually takes between 7 to 15 days, but it may take up to 2 weeks due to high volume of orders. And guys, talking about international standard shipping duration, it will take around approx 2 to 6 weeks. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's move on to the most important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this website, this particular domain name was created on 3rd of December 2020. So guys, this website is newly launched website, and according to the study, this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. Let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So guys, this is the About Us page, and you can see they have provided improper About Us information and company's information. They have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, photos, etc., which is not a good sign. And let's check out the contact details of this website, because we know contact details plays a crucial role in defining a website's legitimacy. So guys, in the contact us section, they have not provided their contact details including official address and contact number, but yes, they have provided an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a plus point. But you should also know that most of the scam websites use email starting with online customer support, help desk, etc. So you should be aware of this factor, guys. And talking about the social media presence, this website has no social media presence at all, which is a red high alert. Now talking about return policy, we need to visit the return and exchange policy. They have provided strict and limited policy, and they have mentioned that 15 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return of the product. And guys, talking about Pretzeli's com reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet. But yes, we have found few customer complaints, you can say one or two, and they claim this website as a scam website. So this is not a good sign. Apart from that, guys, this particular website has used the content of other websites and fake images. Apart from that, they have not mentioned the complete product descriptions, which is the characteristic of a scam website. And the site seems to be not much popular online and has also too low traffic, or you can say none at all. So these are the loopholes. And apart from that, they have mentioned size guide chart. You can also visit the size guide chart. So guys, this is the size guide. You can view the important tips, and if you have questions, then you can connect with the customer service team via this email. And in the final conclusion, I would say the site appears to be suspicious as improper about us information, zero social media presence, zero security measures, fake and cropped images of products, and low traffic score, poor design of website led to believers that this website is highly suspicious website and possibly a scam. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments. Guys, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.